What else we got? Let's have a look at AOSHIMA.
These are cool. These are Fast and Furious. Can you believe this franchise this year,
Still
if
going.
I'm not mistaken, is 25 years old?
I do believe that, actually.
I felt really old when I saw that.
Oh, really?
Really old.
I never really got into it. I think I only watched Tokyo Drift for the first time maybe a year ago.
Oh, I reckon I was about your age. A bit impressionable when the first one came out.
They're not built like they used to be.
No.
You got to buy an old car to have fun.
We all did go out and put neon lights under our cars.
Did you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Saw some stupid Ford owner put it in his around his brakes.
Really? Yeah. It used to go everywhere. Everywhere.
In the
now it's just
floor.
about interior mood lighting. Now interior stuff, right?
Well, they give that to you as a package deal in
Do
like
they?
BYDs and stuff. Yeah,
Do
you
they?
can like set the mood lighting in the car.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, somebody's been in my car recently and changed it to pink. Thank you.
In the Skoda.
I know who that was.
In the Skoda.
That was somebody doing a delivery for me.
Oh, right.
Hey?
Yeah.
Tristan doing a bit of a midnight run up the road to Hobbies for me.
Yeah, decided to change it to pink. Got the remote out.
That's right.
As long as he didn't get the wrong remote, because that would have been awkward. Bluetooth device successfully connected at home. It's flashing pink and blue. He's like, why isn't it changing? Wait, what's this buzzing thing? You get a call from Dad. Stop it! All right, well, what do we got? RX-7 and a GT-R.
FD.
FD.
You know who had a monster one of these back in
A monster?
1990? Monster.
You did, didn't you?
No.
Rudy.
No. I remember my mate Rudy had a monster one.
What's that? What's a monster one?
A monster one that
Just
was
crazy.
Crazy.
Just like
Like,
souped up.
A legit like 450 kilowatts in a rear wheel drive car that was never meant to have that much. Very high spec machine.
Jesus Christ. I've got, you gotta love the 90s paint scheme on it. Like, you wouldn't catch anyone dead driving around with that today thinking it's cool.
What about Brian's car? I'd rock this one.
Well, that's
with the
sick.
speed, with the
Yeah.
speed blocks.
Yeah, but because it's got the stripe along, like down the center of it, it's like screams race. But this one,
Given the fact that it's R34, it's got to be later than 90s.
what, early 2000s?
2002, 2004.
Yeah. Because what is this? This is a Tokyo Drift car, right?
This is
This is like number 2 or 3.
Yeah, this is in the first one. I
So
think.
that came out like just after I was born. So yeah, it's probably around.
Are you a
2000.
2000 model?
I'm a 2002 model.
VX.
See, I didn't.
A VX Commodore.
I wasn't even around when these things were plugging. So they just like, I'm just like 90s. You know, sure they're from that era. But then you know what? These are right on the cusp of when I was around.
2002, that's ridiculous.
So I didn't even see the movie. But
Doesn't
if
even
you
make
look,
sense.
if you look at this one here, it's got this.
sense.
It's got
You
this.
weren't there for the Y2K bug or anything.
No.
No.
No. This thing's got like this jet turbine painted on the side of it
Yeah, why not? With a fist.
with a fist.
No, is that? Oh no, that's
Oh.
the Supra that's got like the
Oh,
flying
the Hulk
on-
fist.
Yeah.
No, that's the that's the little like Tony's car, like the mini cars.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah, it comes down off the hoist and it's got the Hulk fist in this. It's ridiculous.
But that's what's cool.
That's
Anyway,
the car culture
but
over there.
these are iconic cars. These are iconic models.
And
from
you heard it
AOSHIMA.
from Jack A that
Yeah.
these are good kits as well.
And there's a Supra one coming.
Is there?
The orange Supra, he said.
Oh,
coming.
right. Tinted and non-tinted versions of the plastic,
Speed glass.
depending how
And-
much of a lebo you are.
No, well, if you've got red interior, if you've got custom interior, you need to have
Tint.
speed glass. You need to have clear windows. If
Yeah.
if you've just got a fairly stock car inside, you're gonna have blacked out windows.
Yeah.
That's how you roll.
Well, there you go. This one's got tan interior, so
You'll be educated yet with the snapper.
yeah, right.
Hey,
Not
Jesus,
interested.
that-
Cars are too bad these days.
that makes your barnstormer even more ridiculous. That's like vintage.
Which one? Oh, mine. Yeah, it's before me. I haven't owned a car that came before me. That came after me. Sorry.
Wow.